Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Face ID unlocking in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. As you can see here friends, and if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description also for the playlist of best wallpapers and what are the wallpapers I'm using currently, live wallpapers and playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro and Max as well. So everything, all the playlist is available in the description. And these are the videos which I uploaded recently friends, so if you are interested, do check those videos in my channel, so you can find plenty of useful reviews and amazing results in terms of battery backup and display comparison. So don't forget to check my channel friends, because you will find at least one video of useful in my channel. And let me get started with the Face ID unlocking. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp it to the number friends, and do send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel, definitely, because even that will help me as well. And let me open the Face ID unlocking friends. So I did not even register my Face ID, so this is a 2D Face ID friends, not the 3D, so it's not that secure, but at least something is better than nothing. So let me try to add. So it's loading the front camera friends, as you can see here. So it's done. It's pretty straightforward. So I think within 2 seconds it was captured my image. So once you are in the Face ID, you will get all these options. So first is that I will be choosing the Face ID to unlock the device, so you need to enable this option and stay on the lock screen after unlocking. So I would prefer to disable this option friends every time. So the reason why is that, let me enable that and let me show you. And I press the button and it's detecting, and as you can see friends, it said the trick mark, but still the phone didn't unlock everything, as you can see. So we need to manually swipe upside. So I don't like that manual swiping. I want the unlock to be very fast. So if you want the unlock to be very fast, always disable this option friends. So now let me try to unlock using the face. So let me try again friends. Let me get close to the camera. So as you can see, so it did not stay on the lock screen itself. I think something is wrong with the front camera. It's not that fast in terms of recognizing friends. Maybe let me try to disable the fingerprint unlock. Maybe it's trying to get confused in terms of scanning my fingerprint and this at the same time. So now let me try to unlock the device friends. So there is a little bit of delay friends in terms of unlocking the device, even though the lighting was very good, but still it is taking some time. But definitely I'll try this Face ID unlocking friends in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and soon I'll try to update also what's the problem and whether it's speeding the process or not in terms of unlocking the device. So this is how you can add the Face ID in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device friends. And let me try to open again and let me show you what are other settings. So allow face unlock when screen lights up. So you can unlock the device using the face data whenever the screen lights up for incoming notification. For example, you place your mobile phone on the table or any stand and you get any notification and screen turn on friends, and definitely at the time if you're looking at the phone, this will try to the front camera will try to scan your face and it will try to unlock. So if you want that to allow, you can allow friends, and I usually prefer to allow it. So in this way I can unlock the device pretty much whenever I get the notification faster. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check my previously uploaded videos, so which will be very useful for you all. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.